For this year, itong ating activity na ito, I have been with the Dugong Bombo since I think this is my 7th year na dito na activity na ito. Paiba-ibang lugar, but most commonly dito talaga sa Robinson Atrium. But what I have seen at this time, mas marami sila ngayon. There are many mga nagdo-donate ng blood, and every time meron dumadaan sa akin, the very first thing talaga na tinatanong ko sa kanila, o kumusta kayo? How do you feel the previous mga mga donations na ginagawa, particularly dito sa Dugong Bombo, kasi there are more of them na inaantay talaga nila itong Dugong Bombo. So most of them are, ang answers nila is saving lives. They want to save lives, they want to help people, even though sabi nila, at this time, hindi pa nila kailangan ang tulong namin. Alam namin na darating ang panahon, kakailanganin nila iyon.
Pero so far, Doc, ngayon, Doc, since marami yung tao, kumusta yung pag-cater nyo, Doc?
Okay lang. Wala akong masyadong nakitang problematic. Hindi pareho the last time na I think I have 5 na mga hindi na ipasa because of number 1, matataas ang blood pressure at that time. Ang iba naman is medyo nagka-problema doon sa kanilang hemoglobin. But ito ngayon, meron akong isa na hindi pa rin napasa. It's because ang kanyang menstruation was about 3 days ago lang. So, it's a big no.
Pero, ilan lang po ito ng mga kaso?
Yes po. Very seldom lang ngayon. Oo. And most commonly, ang nandito ngayon are not first-timer. Ang karamihan sa kanila, they have been there. Meron akong kanina, 22 times na siya. Oo. Sabi ko, galloner ka na.
Okay, Doc. Mensahe niyo po sa lahat po na nag-donate ng ating dugo, tapos yung sa mga willing pa po.
Sa lahat po ng mga nag-donate ng dugo, maraming salamat po. Ito ay isang malaking tulong sa mga taong nangangailangan. This is one thing that what comes in our mind first is we want to save lives. It's not because we want to help, because we want to save lives. Helping and saving lives are two different things. But what is important in our heart as of today is to save lives for those people who are in need. Particularly, yung ating mga taong ngayon at presently they need blood because they are in the hospitals, they are in for surgery and for other purposes. So sa mga gustong darating pa, please come. Ang magbigay po, ang mag-donate ng blood is a type of kindness to people. Though, yan nga ang sinasabi nila, though, if others are not kind, be kind to others as well.